Hello children, welcome to biology class. Today we are discussing a new lesson, lesson number 15, plant growth and development. Children, according to the revised syllabus, this lesson includes only one topic, that is growth regulators. So there are 5 growth regulators, that means plant hormones. The first one is auxin, then gibberellin, cytokinin, then ethylene and abscisic acid. So from this lesson we have to discuss about the structure and functions of these plant hormones only. Okay, let's start. So first of all, let's discuss about auxin. Auxin plays an important role in a number of plant activities, including cell division and elongation, and it promotes flowering and helps for tropism and prevent abscission of fruits and leaves. It helps for fruit development. It helps for apical dominance, and it initiates the development of root. And actually, if the question is asked on 1 mark, what is auxin? We can write as auxin is a growth hormone. Clear? Next one, gibberellin. It's a plant hormone that stimulates cell growth. That is gibberellin. Functions: stem elongation, seed germination and seedling growth, breaking of seed dormancy, promotes bolting and flowering and long day and cold requiring plants, then flowering and sex expression of plants. These are the functions of second hormone, gibberellin. Clear? Then third one is cytokinin. It induces the growth of shoot, and that's the main function. And what are the other functions? Helps for cell division and root and shoot meristems, development, cell differentiation, leaf senescence, inflorescence growth, nutrient mobilization, cotyledon expansion, apical dominance, then seedling morphology. These are the functions of the third plant hormone, that is cytokinin. Clear? Then ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone that helps to ripen the fruit. Okay, so for the process of ripening, a lot of chemical reactions are also happening there. Starch is converted to sugar, chlorophyll is converted to anthocyanin, pectin is converted into soft pectin, and large organics converted to aromatic substances. And these all changes during the process of ripening of a fruit is the result of the hormone ethylene. Clear? And the functions, it stimulate shoot and root growth and differentiation, stimulate the release of dormancy. They may have a role in adventitious root formation, stimulate bromelid flower induction, then induction of femaleness and dioecious flowers, stimulate flower opening, stimulate flower and leaf senescence, and main function, stimulate fruit ripening. Then stimulate leaf, fruit and flower abscission. Okay. Then last one is ABA or abscisic acid. It inhibits shoot growth but do not have much effect on roots. And other functions: prevent seed germination, inhibits shoot growth during environmental stress, stimulates stomata closure, then causes abscission, buds, leaves, petal, flower and fruits. So these are about plant hormones. Now let's discuss in detail about each one of this. So first of all, let's start with auxin. Okay children, so auxin, the term indicate the substance that promote elongation of coleoptile tissue, and its natural substance present indole acetic acid and IAA and IAN, then phenyl acetic acid, and synthetic forms IBA2, NCA and NAD, etc. And the functions: internode elongation, leaf growth, initiation of vascular tissues, cambial activity, fruit growth, apical dominance, and inhibition of root growth and lateral buds. IBA induced rooting and cutting. So auxin is a growth hormone. Clear? Then next one, gibberellin is a class of endogenous plant regulators. There are different categories A and C. Then synthetic, not yet been synthesized. Function, rapid elongation of plant cells, stimulation of seed germination. Then breaking of dormancy, increase stem elongation and size of leaves, and the induction of parthenocarpic fruit leading to seedless fruit sets. You might eat seedless grapes, isn't it? These type of seedless fruits are termed as parthenocarpic fruits. Okay. Then cytokinin, these are either natural or synthetic compounds with growth regulatory activity, and these are the natural forms. Then these are the synthetic form, and functions: promote cell division, play a role in nucleic acid metabolism and protein synthesis, that promote lateral bud development and inhibition of senescence. Then ethylene, we know that ethylene which helps for fruit ripening, that's the main function, ripening. Okay, and another functions: leaf abscission, stem swelling, leaf bending, flower petal discoloration, and inhibition of stem and root growth. Then breaking dormancy. Last one, abscisic acid helps in seed dormancy, enhanced in stress condition, potential anti-transparent, and inhibit different functions of gibberellic acid. Then different types of inhibition or the inhibition functions of the activity of auxin 2. Okay, so that's about plant hormones and their functions. Only this topic is included in the revised syllabus, so you read the textbook thoroughly. Okay children, so that's about this lesson. And today is the last day of this year, isn't it? I wish you a very happy new year, children. So next year you are going to class 12. So you have to be more scientific. You have to be more punctual. Okay. So you have to study well. Okay. So I wish you all the best for the next year. And thank you, children.